Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I've already cut my hair and this is really a surprise. I've been wanting to do or to sport a short hair for a really long time now. It's been a major decision in my life. For the past days, I've been uploading pictures of me sporting this new look, and to my surprise, a lot of people liked it. It really took me a long time to decide on this matter. If you guys want to see the step-by-step process of how I do my hairstyle, please keep on watching. So I use this Argan certified organic argan oil and argan seed extract from Morocco. This is the revitalizing hair mask. This is for very dry and damaged hair. So as you can see, my hair is dry. Recently, I colored it again kasi nga nagiging black na yung roots ng hair ko. So I had to recolor with another hair dye. And to prevent my hair from further drying, I'm using this hair mask twice a week. You will see at the back the instructions. It will recommend you to use the hair mask twice a week. So the instruction says na you should leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I like to leave it on longer simply because I want the formula to really sink into my hair and do its job and simply be effective kasi nga sobrang dry ng hair ko and I don't think 5 to 10 minutes will do the trick. So I leave it on for a longer period of time. Prior to using this product, ang ginagamit ko lang sa hair ko is shampoo and conditioner. That's it. But I think na hindi yun enough para gawing soft yung hair ko, and at the same time, hindi ko masuklay na maayos unlike using this product. Ever since I've used this, talagang I noticed na madali nang suklayin yung buhok. At the same time, my hair feels very smooth and soft. So I really recommend this product. So this is the Naturals by Watsons, the Argan Revitalizing Hair Mask. So I pour out the product between the palm of my hands and immediately apply it on the roots of my hair so that the product will be absorbed quickly, and after that I go through the middle part of my hair and onto the ends, and I make sure that I massage the product on my scalp so that the product will be absorbed effectively by my hair and all the parts of my hair will be coated with the product. The shampoo and conditioner that I'm using is also in the same line as the hair mask. Also included in the revitalizing line, this is their shampoo and conditioner. So, same thing lang kung paano ako gumamit ng shampoo and conditioner, ganun din yung ginagawa ko for this. This line really has natural and organic and safe ingredients in it. So I really trust the effectivity of these products. And at the same time, it also claims that it's free from paraben, mineral oil, silicones, colorants, sodium lauryl sulfate, soap. So I think those are the harsh ingredients na makikita natin sa mga commercial shampoos and conditioners na hindi natural yung ingredients. Much better kasi yung hair ko, sensitive din siya, madaling maglagas. And I'm really preventing using harsh chemicals right now for my hair. Hindi siya masyadong malather simply because, yun nga, hindi masyadong chemically yung formula nito. So, I really like this one. But at the same time, it really cleans your hair. It really feels na your hair is cleansed thoroughly. And also, it doesn't leave you that dry feeling on your hair. So I noticed na this conditioner really moisturizes my hair and I don't need a lot of product to cover all my hair. So a small amount will do. And ayun, I leave it on for like 3 minutes in the shower. So, yung benefits niya is to really soften your hair, moisturize it, and improves the elasticity of your hair, making it soft and supple. So these two products, I use them before using this hair mask. So 20 minutes has passed and I will just wash my hair, and later I will show you what products I'm using to style my hair. Okay, so before I dry my hair, I use the Vitress Cuticle Coat Heat Protect with Thermo Shield Complex that protects the hair from styling damage. So ito yung green variant niya. It says here na this Heat Protect Cuticle Coat with Thermo Shield Complex protects hair from the harmful effects of frequent curling, ironing, or blow drying, leaving you with revitalized, nourished hair. So, it says here na you can use it through dry or damp hair. So, ako, naglalagay lang ako ng konti. Since, I think potent yung formula niya, a little goes a long way. So, I rub it between my hands. Yan. And then, I massage it on my scalp muna. So, yun, apply muna sa roots and massaging it. And then, I'll apply second coat doon naman sa middle and ends ng hair ko. So, with 2 coats, I think you can cover up your whole hair kapag ganito yung length mo. I'm using this blow dryer. This is the Amstar blow dryer. Using my Amstar blow dryer, I really make sure to dry all the parts of my hair and also brush through it para magkaroon ng konting body yung hair ko. So for this process, make sure ko na magkakaroon siya ng volume using my blow dryer. So now as you can see, very limp and flat yung hair ko. So to prevent that, gagamitan ko ng styling mousse yung hair ko before I fix my hair. I'm using the Dove Style Plus Care Curls Defining Mousse. So this Dove Style Plus Care claims that this lightweight formula with a whipped cream texture helps provide long-lasting shape, leaving your curls touchably soft and manageable without all the crunchy feel. So at the same time, it provides long-lasting style by nourishing and protecting hair to help prevent hair issues such as frizz, static, and flyaways to get in the way of great style. So yun nga, ginagamit ko siya for that because I don't want any flyaways sa buhok ko or to prevent my hair from sticking out siguro, ganyan. Pati the way it's packaged, para siyang whipped cream. So, ayan. Ganito lang karami yung ginagamit ko kasi if I spread it on my hand, look, ang dami niya na. And a little goes a long way. So, spread ko lang siya. So, kung napapansin nyo, marami akong heat protect products kasi nga, dry na yung hair ko and ayokong ma-damage pa siya lalo. So, even if it's an extra step, it's a great way to prevent your hair from drying and from being damaged further. So, I will be using this Absolute Heat. This is my flat iron. Ito yung gagamitin ko para i-shape yung hair ko. Kasi nga, I don't want my hair to look like this. Parang walang body, diba? So, isa-style natin siya using this flat iron. Usually, I go to the front first. I take a small section of my hair. And then I run past through my hair and ginagawa kong pa-inward yung shape niya sa baba. So, as you can see, medyo pa-ganon na siya, diba? Pa-inward na. I bought this at Watson's also. This is the Hair Treats Care and Style Stronghold Hairspray. So it has jojoba or jojoba oil and it's an all-day hold and bounce. So it says here na this product strengthens your hair by providing strong hold while enhancing your hair's natural luminosity. And its fast-drying formula fights frizz and flyaways while adding body and volume. Extra hold without all the stiffness for shiny hair with natural movement all day long. So, for me, tamang-tama yung description niya kasi I've used this a couple of times na. And hindi siya katulad ng ibang hairspray na once you set your hair with that hairspray, all day na siyang matigas. So, very reliable tong hairspray na to. And at the same time, it's really cheap. It's only, I think, 169 pesos. You can get this hairspray at Watson's. And I use this also to my clients kasi nga freelance makeup artist ako. So, I also do the hair of my clients. And kapag ginagamit ko to sa kanila, hindi ako nahihirapan na i-style yung hair nila kasi hindi siya yung sobrang tigas na hairspray. So, ganun siya kaganda. And even if it's cheap, it's really good. So, this is my holy grail hairspray. And I really recommend you guys trying it out. So, if you have the chance to go to Watson's, ito din, bilhin nyo din tong product na to kasi it's really good. So, ayan. Hold the can 8 to 10 inches away from your face and don't forget to cover your eyes and close your eyes kasi nga masakit siya. So, kapag may konting fly away, yan, ini-smooth lang yung taas ng hair. Okay. So, after that, after spraying your hair, fina-flatten ko na agad yung mga flyaways sa buhok. Para kapag nag-set siya, hindi na tataas yung hair. So, for the last step, I will be using this Vitress Cuticle Coat. I use a tiny amount. And this one, ina-apply ko na lang siya sa top ng hair at sa ends. And also, sa outer portion ko na lang ina-apply itong cuticle coat ng Vitress. As you can see, shiny na yung buhok ko, making it look more polished and more put together. So here is my finished look. As you can see, my hair is very sleek, but it also maintains its shape thanks to the products I've used. So I hope you guys liked what I've shared for you today. I hope you picked up some lessons, and hopefully you get to incorporate it to your hair care routine and styling as well. All of the products that I've used in this video will be listed in the description box below. If you want to see more videos, please keep on watching, and also encourage your friends, your family, your loved ones to please subscribe to my channel and support your girl by clicking the subscribe button and also the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye!